up in Strong, Maine. I will insert some mountain pictures. Still got snow here. Oh, look at this little place right here. This is the United Methodist Economic Ministry, and it's a thrift store.
Ministry.
Ministry, yes. Look at this. I didn't even know I was coming here. Oh, cool. This is going to be inside.
Dress comes in, you can make a donation for the dress, or you can, if you don't have the money, we give you the dress. Like I said, we don't ask for any money for them. A lot of girls around here and stuff are the parents. It's really hard for people to come up with that kind of money for a dress.
Right. I'm going to ask you for your name again and the ministry, because I didn't hit the button. I was looking at the dresses. Okay, I'm sorry. And your name again, please?
Amanda Viles.
Okay.
And I work at the United Methodist Economic Ministry in Salem.
Yeah, and this is a program that they're doing currently.
Yep.
And there's beautiful dresses in here. Look at this. So if you live in the area and you need, or your daughter is in need of something.
Yeah, absolutely. We also do have some tuxes and stuff for, well, suits for the men and whatnot. I mean, brand new dresses.
Look at this, brand new.
It's a brand new dress.
$139, guys, brand new dress.
Yep.
And these are free for the needy in the area.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
We have some down here. Look at this nice green one. Look at that one.
Yeah.
And the green one. Look how pretty that is. That reminds me of the dress, Ray, that Miss Haley almost wore for one of her proms, or her getting king and queen dance or whatever.
Oh, yes. This is another favorite of mine.
Oh, yeah, that's real pretty. Look at the maroon, the red ones. They're all nice. I mean...
And a variety of sizes as well.
That's what I noticed.
The larger ones are harder, you know, to collect, but we do have some. But yeah, every shape, size. We also have the shorter ones down there, because most girls want the long, flowy ones for prom, and then the shorter ones for
right here.
Different dances like winter carnival, and different things like that.
Oh, yes,
so
right here.
I try to keep a good variety on here.
That is very, very nice.
Yep. We don't have all the space in the world, but we do what we can.
Yep. We try.
Absolutely.
This is an awesome place. And you have a food bank, you said, next door.
We do.
That's part of the program as well?
Yep. We offer the food pantry to anybody that needs the food, but mainly we support Strong, Freeman, Salem, Kingfield, Carrabassett.
Oh, all the way to Carrabassett.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. Phillips if they need it.
And do you go down to Farmington, or no? There's a cutoff before Farmington.
Yeah. Yep. Strong. That's about where.
That's the cutoff.
Yep.
Very nice. And we're in, what town is this? I get confused.
Salem.
We're in Salem. That's what Ray said.
Yep.
And that's about an hour from Strong?
Oh, no. Strong's like 15 minutes.
Oh, see, I'm all confused, guys.
We've got Phillips 15 minutes this way. Strong 15 minutes that way. Kingfield about 10 minutes that way.
How about Carrabassett?
Sugarloaf is roughly 25-30 miles, I think.
Okay. No, not that far.
Yep.
Okay, and look here, guys. See, it's not just all about the women.
Right.
But we have nice, look at that pin suit right there.
I like this one.
Blue pin suit.
I think that one's interesting.
That one's nice too. The nice pair of black or even gray shoes.
Yep.
And right where Ray is in the back wall, there's even some shoes. So, I mean, come on, guys. If you live in the area and you're in need, come on down.
And accessories. We try to collect accessories. I haven't gotten any makeup yet, but I will. I usually try to purchase some makeup and little hairsprays and little things like that that always make it a little special.
So, guys, hey, if you know me and you're in my area and you would like to donate something for the prom and graduation season, please do so.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to end this, so is there anything you'd like to say?
Everybody come on down. We provide pretty much anything you need, anything you can find.
Okay, super. Thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome.
Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to end this right now with love, peace, and hope. And everybody have a great day. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless, and we will see you tomorrow. I'm just putting this clip of video in with the others because this is just absolutely beautiful up here. The mountain range. See, folks, you have no idea how beautiful where I live and what I see and what I can enjoy every day. How nice is that? I'm sorry about the trees and all, but that's just the way it is. This is just a quick video. I'm trying to get it all in so you can see. And the big, beautiful farms. I mean, just big, beautiful. We're going by one right now. Just so nice. Look at that. How many people can say they can look out their backyard and have a view? Okay. I'm putting this with the other videos.